The Peugeot 308 is this year's winner for the Best Car of the World 2022 award, as voted by 56 female motoring journalists from 40 countries across 5 continents. The WWCOTY winner was announced on March 8, coinciding with International Women's Day. The Peugeot 308 succeeds last year's winner, which was the Land Rover Defender. The Committee of Motoring Journalists test drove a total of 65 contestants during the evaluation process. The first round of voting resulted in the best car from each category. The second round of voting resulted in the supreme winner, with the French compact hatchback crowned the title. Marta Garcia, executive president of WWCOTY, said that this year's voting was closer than ever. Jurors praised the driving dynamics, performance, comfort, and design of the Peugeot 308. Sandy Myhre from New Zealand said, "The Peugeot 308 is an automobile that offers just about everything you could want in a car. It drives very well, and it's hard to believe there's only a 1.2-liter engine under the bonnet of most versions." Myhre from Denmark added, "It is not an expensive dream car for the lucky few, but a car that most families can afford." Others commented on the improvements compared to its predecessor and the wide range of powertrain options. The model is available with petrol, diesel, and PHEV powertrains, while Peugeot has confirmed an upcoming fully electric variant. The 308 is available in hatchback and SW body styles, both based on the Stellantis EMP2 platform. The same architecture is shared with the DS4 and Opel Astra siblings.